Well, hello there and welcome. Whether you're in HR, finance, marketing, or operations, if you're a non-technical professional looking to create safer, more secure, effective, and definitely lower-cost prompts, you're in exactly the right place. I am absolutely thrilled to lead you through this session today. Right off the bat, I want to note that this is Module 10 of a comprehensive 10-module tutorial developed by Virtualization Options LLC. And today we're bringing the whole shebang together. We are focusing entirely on how we transition from your individual skills to massive organizational impact.
Just to really ground us before we dive in, this capstone training is provided by Virtualization Options LLC, which is a premier Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization. Because of their extensive enterprise research, they've designed this program to make sure medium and large organizations can leverage generative AI securely and strategically. They completely understand the real-world corporate realities you face every single day, and this final module is built right on top of that foundation. So I want to take just a quick second to say a huge congratulations. Reaching this capstone of your enterprise AI literacy training is a major milestone. Over the previous 9 modules, you've basically rewired how you interact with artificial intelligence. You've picked up the technical and strategic guardrails that are absolutely crucial for protecting your company's data and budget. And now we're looking forward. It's time to take those hard-earned skills and transform them into a living, breathing workplace culture.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Part 1, 10 modules, 1 mission, a reflective summary. Let's do a quick rhythmic recall of our foundational habits. Back in Module 1, we made the biggest shift, moving your mindset from query and retrieve to communicate and direct. Remember, generative AI isn't just a search engine, it's a probabilistic language model. Then, in Module 2, we hammered home that planning is paramount. You really have to ask yourself those critical pre-prompt questions before you even touch the keyboard. Module 3 taught us all about writing lean, precise prompts because in the enterprise world, every single token costs compute resources. And finally, Module 4 showed us how to build templates and use caching to kill redundant work and save even more money. These are your everyday essentials. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it contrasts 2 entirely different types of advanced navigation. On the one hand, we've got Module 5, focusing on the mechanics of multi-turn conversations. You learned how to diagnose an AI's misstep before blindly typing a correction, which saves an immense amount of time and token waste. But on the flip side, we have Module 6, which deals with absolute strict boundaries, protecting company intellectual property. It is literally a non-negotiable requirement to abstract proprietary business info and stick strictly to your approved tools. So one is about conversational agility, and the other is an ironclad corporate defense. Building on that corporate defense, Modules 7 through 9 really escalated things into advanced security, compliance, and budget governance. I mean, look at these steps. We talked about anonymizing personally identifiable information and sensitive personal information. We covered strictly following your organization's AI Acceptable Use Policy, or AUP, and documenting any high-stakes interaction for audit purposes. Finally, we learned to manage the budget by matching the right AI model to the task, using batching, engineering your output length, and actively governing costs. By mastering all of this, you aren't just an AI user anymore. You are a proactive protector of the organization. Which brings us seamlessly to our core focus for this final module, build the culture. Look, the technological landscape is going to keep evolving at a totally breakneck pace. Models will change, interfaces are going to update, capabilities will expand, but a culture of security, efficiency, and mindfulness, that remains constant. Your goal now is to be the champion of these practices across your entire department. Moving right along to Part 2, building an AI culture, your action plan. And this brilliantly illustrates the path forward with 3 highly effective steps. First step, apply it today. Literally, the very next time you open an AI tool, use that 5-stage pre-prompt workflow. Build the muscle memory right now while it's fresh in your mind. Second, share your knowledge. Please don't keep this to yourself. Teach a colleague how to write a leaner prompt or how to abstract their data. And third, stay current. Keep a sharp eye out for refresher updates from Virtualization Options LLC. Governance frameworks and models evolve, and staying current is exactly how you keep your edge. I want to pause here and really emphasize a vital concept. Teaching accelerates mastery and builds the team-wide culture of responsible AI use. Notice the emphasis on the word culture. Prompt engineering isn't just some solo, isolated technical trick to make your Tuesday afternoon a little easier. It's a shared organizational responsibility. When you teach a peer to reduce token waste, you're directly driving return on investment for your whole company. When you show them how to protect PII, you are safeguarding the enterprise. That is what culture looks like in action.
With all of that said, I am incredibly proud to say, course complete. You have officially finished the tutorial. You're walking away today equipped as a highly skilled, responsible, and cost-conscious AI practitioner. And remember, Virtualization Options LLC is always here for you in your leadership. If you ever need enterprise AI training programs, advanced prompt governance consulting, or custom module development for your specific needs, just reach out to your designated representative. To wrap things up, I want to leave you with one final provocative thought as you close out this module and head back into your daily workflow. How will you champion the culture of responsible AI prompting in your team today? Are you going to review a prompt template with your team lead? Will you speak up about data privacy in your next meeting? The knowledge is yours now, but the impact is entirely up to you. Thank you so much for joining me for this module, and best of luck on your AI journey.